This question asks, what are the common problems that data analysts encounter during analysis? Well, the problem can be faced in four different steps. First, with the collection of data. This is because data can be scattered across different sources, making it difficult to collect and consolidate this data. Moreover, data may be incomplete or inaccurate, requiring cleaning and pre-processing. It may be sensitive data, requiring careful handling and storage. Next challenge comes at storing this data. Data can be huge, requiring scalable storage solutions. Plus, it needs to be backed up and protected from loss or corruption. Not just that, data needs to be accessible to authorized users while protecting it from unauthorized access. There are specific challenges to process data as well. Data can be complex and difficult to analyze, requiring specialized tools and skills. Along with that, data processing can be time consuming and computationally expensive, and the results of data processing need to be interpreted and communicated effectively. Finally, data quality and governance. Data quality is essential for accurate and reliable analysis, and data governance ensures that data is managed and used responsibly.